Tired of the same old savings advice? Let's talk about building a truly bulletproof financial life with money you probably don't realize you have. First, your health savings account. It's not just for doctor's visits. It's a secret investment powerhouse with a triple tax advantage. Your contributions are tax deductible, your money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for medical costs are tax-free. Here's the hidden trick. Pay for today's medical expenses out of pocket and save the receipts. Let your HSA investments compound for decades, then reimburse yourself completely tax-free in retirement. Next, unlock free money from your job. Many employer wellness programs offer cash bonuses or HSA contributions for simple things like health screenings or gym attendance. It's money just sitting on the table, waiting for you to claim it. Stop just pinching pennies and start finding these hidden buckets. Your future self will thank you for building a smarter, more resilient financial foundation.